नमस्ते, मैं दिव्या आप लोगों को हमारे चैनल खाओ पियो घूमो पे स्वागत करती हूँ। हम लोग अभी जना केसवा टेम्पल से निकल रहे हैं और हम ये होसलेश्वर टेम्पल की तरफ जा रहे हैं और वहाँ पे हम लोगों को जाने के लिए 23 मिनट दिखा रहा है। देखते हैं कितना टाइम लगता है। आप लोग मेरे साथ बने रहिए। रास्ते पे ऐसा जंगल जैसा दिखाई पड़ रहा है और इसको नीलगिरी वन बोलते हैं। इसी रास्ते से आपको वहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा, वो टेम्पल पे। इसी रास्ते पे ही बहुत ही एक अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट हम लोगों को दिखा, प्योर वेज में। हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट किया था और ब्रेकफास्ट भी बहुत ही अच्छा था, टेस्टी था। आप लोगों को मैं दिखा रही हूँ। जो लोग भी इधर से जा रहे हैं तो यहाँ ब्रेकफास्ट करके आप लोग जा सकते हैं। टेम्पल में हम लोग पहुँच चुके हैं। ये पार्किंग का प्राइस मैंने आप लोगों को दिखा दिया है। यहाँ पे 70 रुपीज़ उसका प्राइस ले रहे हैं और ये पार्किंग एरिया है। बहुत बड़ा पार्किंग एरिया दिया हुआ है। अब अंदर जाने के टाइम ये देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे छोटा छोटा भगवान जी का मूर्ति बेच रहे थे और हर वक्त वहाँ पे रहते हैं। ये वो मंदिर का एंट्रेंस पॉइंट है और इधर अंदर जाने के बाद आप लोगों को बहुत ही बड़ा पार्क जैसा एरिया देखने को मिलेगा। यहाँ पे बैठ सकते हैं आप लोग और अंदर एक बहुत बड़ा लेक भी है, वहाँ पे भी साइड में आप जाके बैठ सकते हैं। ये मंदिर के साथ साथ यहाँ एक म्यूजियम भी है जहाँ पे पुराने सारे मूर्तियाँ रखा हुआ है। आप लोग वहाँ पे भी जाके देख सकते हैं, जो कि टेम्पल के पीछे के एरिया में वो है। ये एक शिव जी का टेम्पल है और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे चीज़ आप लोगों को देखने के लिए मिलेगा। जो लोग यहाँ आ रहे हैं, यहाँ बहुत सारे गाइड्स रहते हैं, वो लोग आप लोगों को अच्छी तरीके से समझा देंगे यहाँ पे क्या क्या है। और उन लोगों का चार्ज रहता है 600 रुपीज़। हम लोग 600 रुपीज़ दे के अंदर गए थे और वो हम लोगों को अच्छी तरीके से समझा दिए थे कि क्या क्या और किस किस जगह पे कैसे बनाया गया है। बहुत सारे यहाँ पे देखने के लिए चीज़ मिल जाएगा और जो लोग मेरे वीडियो देख रहे हैं उन लोगों को तो मालूम चल जाएगा किस जगह पे क्या क्या है। वो लोग वीडियो देख के आके यहाँ पे अगर आ रहे हैं तो आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कि क्या क्या है। आप लोगों को मेरे वीडियो अगर अच्छा लग रहा है प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा।
ये दोनों शिव जी का द्वार पार्क है। इसका नाम है नंदीकेश्वर, भृंगीकेश्वर, नंदी इसको कहते हैं चामरन। शी इज होल्डिंग अ चामरन। शी इज वेरी नेकलेस। इट लुक लाइक ए ओनली वन बट देयर आर टू नेकलेस। देखने के लिए एक ही जैसे दिखता है, उधर दो नेकलेस है। दोनों नेकलेस का बीच गैप भी है। हॉलो डिटेल्स बना गैप भी बना देखिए पता से बहुत ही तो रुंडा माला कहता है, डीमन स्कल्स which represent creation and destruction। उसका अंदर भी हॉलो है, पूरा फोकट बहुत ही मृतसिंह एक शिला, but the hands are damaged by the invaders। This temple was attacked by the Delhi Sultans that when inside work was going on, that is why this temple inside work is off done। Whereas Delhi temple, that the temple not for inside work, this temple not for outside work। मंदिर बाहर बहुत कलाकार मूर्ति है, देवल अंदर ज़्यादा मूर्ति है। चार दरवाजा है। Like this temple has 4 entrance। ये तो साउथ एंट्रेंस है, इसको कहते हैं रॉयल एंट्रेंस। बिकॉज here to half kilometer we have the palace, but their palace completely destroyed. Before that, the royal family they come to the temples. That time they used to worship Ganesha first. There were the Ganesha statue. That one is emblem of the Vaisala dynasty. That is a man killing a lion, but their man portion is damaged. That is called Hoysala. What it means? It means Hoy means kill or hit. Sthala means name of the founder called Hoysala. Hoysala is a dynasty name. Here again doorkeepers, Dwarapalakas, very richly, beautifully ornaments. The hands are damaged by the invaders. And the Department of Archaeology, they made the holes to try to fix the new hands, but it is couldn't succeed because of this old Timurata single stone, Ekashila, one stone. ये तो मकरा तोरण कहता है, एक 12 feet length है, 3 feet width है, center Shiva dancing, Nataraja कहता है. And right to show we have Brahma Deva, left to show Vishnu Bhagwan. Both the said we have mythical animal. इसको कहता है मकरा. ये 7 प्राणों का मिक्स करके बना दिया. इसको कहते हैं मकरा. देखिए इस तरफ से पिग बॉडी है, lion legs, crocodile's mouth, elephant trunk, monkey eyes, cow ears, peacock tail. This is called makara. So this whole thing that the single stone. This is called Makara Torana. Ganesha, see the rat is struggling, mouth is open like a creamy crane, leg is bent and earth is depressed sinking. So that sculpture imagine Ganesha is a big, rat is a poor animal, small animal. ये तो गणेश जी का सहोदर है, कार्तिकेय, स्कंद, मुर्गन, आर्मुगन कहता है. इसको वाहन है मयूर, पीकॉक. So when Parvati, she is a common tool. When she is called Uma, Ume, their vehicle will be mongoose. When Parvati, she is angry. When she is called Durga, Kali, Mata, then vehicle will be lion. So she got 2 vehicles. One is lion, one is mongoose. Nevla. Starting with our trinities, Brahma the creator, Shiva the destroyer, Vishnu the protector. Normally, always you find Vishnu in the middle, but Shiva in the middle, because of this is Shiva temple. That is why they give more importance for Shiva. His right hand holding a rosary, Rudrakshi Mala, which represents spiritual knowledge. His left hand holding maize, Karn, Butta, which represent prosperity. Because Shiva is god of agriculture, we call Isha or Ishana. Is Arjuna, he shoot the fish's eyes, and he look at the reflection in the oil pond. Their arrow is damaged. Identify Arjuna, Anuma, gender. इसको कहते हैं द्रौपदी स्वयंवर. द्रौपदी दोनों इस मंदिर का बहुत खूबसूरत मूर्ति है. ये तो गोवर्धन गिरिधारी कृष्णा, बहुत बाहर से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए कृष्णा परमात्मा ने गौर पर्वत ऊपर उठा दिया. देखिए पीपल्स एंड काउस फाउंड शेल्टर अंडर द माउंटेन. The mountain we are full of lives. You see the extreme top there, we have the banana tree. See with bunch of bananas there. Monkeys climb the tree to eat banana. Cat has catch a rat. Man climbing the mountain. Lion looking outside the cave. Tiger going through the cave. See the backs of the tiger, 2 legs and the tail. And hunter hunting the pig. Peacocks, lizard and the snakes are coming. इसको कहते हैं गोवर्धन गिरिधारी कृष्ण. This is the Shiva dancing. That inside the body of the elephant, stomach of the elephant means हाथी का पेट के अंदर शिव जी डांस कर रहा है. देखिए ऊपर तो 2 पाँव नीचे फैल है, ऊपर नीचे तो 2 पाँव सिर है, पेट के अंदर नाच रहा है. एक कहानी ये demon by name Gajasura who comes in the form of an elephant to kill Shiva, but Shiva killing him by dancing inside the body of the elephant. And Shiva is holding 2 upper legs and he is stretching beyond its limitation. Due to wetness, you find the left thumb of Shiva that gone through the skin bed of the skin. See the details. इसको कहते हैं गजा चर्मांबरा धारी शिवा. गजा मतलब हाथी and धारी means wearing, charma means skin. So कहते हैं गजा चर्मा अंबर. अंबर means sky. Called Gaja Charmambara Dari Shiva. this is another demon. This is the Rakshasa. He comes to help him. See, Vishnu appears with his gada. You see the tip of the gada coming out. It is intestine, antadi. इसको कहते हैं वराहा विष्णु भगवान का तीसरा अवतार. See the teeth very clearly. You find the upper teeth. देखिए दांत भी दिखता है. माउथ के अंदर दांत भी बना दिया. दिखता है?
फिर से शुरू करेंगे.
So this is fourth incarnation of Vishnu. This is called Narasimha. Means face like a lion, body like a man, half lion. And here Vishnu killing the demon by name Hiranyakashipu. While killing him, this Rakshasa, he comes to help him. Vishnu became very, very angry and he held the skin of the demon. See, both the eyeballs are sticking to the skin. One is skull remaining. Prahalada and Kayadu asking excuse. This is called Ugra Narasimha. This is Mahishasura Mardini, a demon by name Mahishasura, who comes in the form of a buffalo. See, Parvati, she crushing body of the demon. Due to pressure, see the tongue has come out. See, the eyeballs look like a burning. See the wrinkles on the neck. When she is angry, then vehicle will be lion. This is called Mahisha. Now we can see the two temples very clearly and on a single platform. That is for the queens, this is for the kings. If you look at the temple from the top, look like a star shape. And all around the temple we have 64 corners, 64 angles, kona hai. Temple has 14 Narasimha statues. This is completely story of Bhakta Prahalada. Hiranyakashipu is the son Prahalada. He want to kill his son with the soldiers, snakes, elephants, and they put on a fire from the hill. Ultimately, his father asked him to show your Vishnu in the palace pillar. Kicked the palace pillar, the Vishnu appeared and killing Hiranyakashipu. So this is completely story of Bhakta Prahalada. Karna, we are the magicians. See the top of the magician. There we are the flower creeper. See the inside full of hollow. It looked like a paper design cuttings, but nowadays we cannot do paper also. This whole thing made of a single stone, Ekashila. A Lakshmi dancing and 3 folds of lotus. Actually, Lakshmi never dances. You can see the Lakshmi like the sitting ocean giving a pool. Or you identify Lakshmi with Amrita Kalash. We called Jala Kanya, Samudra Kanya. From story from Mahabharata, this is war between Arjuna and Karna. So here Arjuna, he shoot the arrows that get multiply, look like a chain bomb system. So 1 into 2 to so. And how you identify Arjuna with monkey flag means Hanuman Janda, Karna with the crow flag, black bird, war between Karan and Arjuna. Ganesha dancing in lotus flower. She is a Kali Durga Mata. This is the 5th incarnation of Vishnu, Vamana Avatara. Vishnu came as a Vamana, he asking for the 3 feet of land from the demon by name Bali. After then Vishnu measured, he entered earth as 1 foot, second steps into the heaven sky. Where you can see Brahma Deva doing Pada Puja, see the water down like a river. In the river you find fishes, tortoise. So this is Garuda, vehicle of Vishnu. So 3rd foot is not shown. 3rd foot is he placed the demon head and he crushed into underneath Patal. Very Pratipada. Krishna, he has stolen that plant. Holy Sri Krishna Parijata Aparana. So this is Krishna and Satyabhama on his vehicle Garuda. This is the plant Parijata with the flowers. This is Indra and his wife Indrani on his vehicle elephant called Airavata. This is story Krishna, he has stolen that plant Parijata with the flowers from Indra's garden to Satyabhama. That is why Indra chasing. You see what a beautiful running movements of the elephants. So the ears are fluttering, tail has gone up. See the second rider, she has bounced up. See, she is not on the elephant, she is in the air. She is asking the husband to make slow, it goes slowly. See, this is the plant Parijata with the flower. This is called Sri Krishna Parijata Apaharana, means stolen.
White elephant color.
And this is the 12th century monk we called Dharmadikari. And he looked like a British judges also. But British came to be India after 16th century, but this temple built means the British judges might have copied it from him. Melody rhythm means Baba Raga Tala. By dancing she is bending her face to the skin. See the facial expression of the eyebrows are gone. Because this is Lord Vishnu in balloon like this, 9 feet. This is 3 feet. इसको कहते हैं चन्ना केशव. चन्ना means handsome. केशव means wish. Being Wali called Sapta Talachedana. Wali Samhara. Behind the 7 palm trees and killing Wali called Sapta Talachedana or Wali Samhara. Musicians, the dresses look like a skirt, middies, Bermuda shirts, 12th century dresses are today fashion all over. The dresses we had been in 12th century. This is nude of Shiva. We called Nagna Kala Bhairava. See the paint, the red paints still remaining. Before the whole temple, they painted with terracotta due to weather. It has the lost paint. These are all the erosion due to weather. Beautiful lady. See, she is wearing a sari, but it's the bottom there a monkey come and pulling a sari, pulling off. They doing monkey business, and she is break the bunch of the tree to beat a monkey when doing. See the details, gap between the heel and the slipper. See, she's reached to reach up. See the details in the heel, slipper, anklets, bracelet. See the sari border, embroidering design also. This is called Chakra view or Padma view made by the Dronacharya. So this is very difficult to go inside and come back. But only a 3 man knew how to go inside and come back by name Dronacharya, Sri Krishna and Arjuna. But Arjuna's son by name Abhimanyu, he did not know how to come back. He knew only of story how to go inside. That is why here he was caught and killed by the Kauravas when he entered into the Chakra view. And also called Dronacharya Kumbhodbhava. Kumbha means pot. See, are you identify Dronacharya with Kumbha Dvaja means pot flag. This is Chakra view. Very strong man among the Pandavas. He is equal to 1,000 elephant strength, like a Superman, even Hercules.
Bhima.
The battlefields elephants are Bhima marching, and here Bhima with his mace, Gada, killing and tossing. You find it of the dead elephant that touching towards sky level up to clouds. See that the riders, they between the dead elephants hanging. See what a beautiful sculpture.
कितना अच्छे से बनाए थे, मतलब you can see this. आप हाथी भी देख सकते हो, हाथी के ऊपर जो माउंट होता है वो भी गिरा हुआ है. भीम किस तरह से उसको मार के फेंक रहे हैं सब. और ये स्काई तो बहुत सारा हाथी के टच की वजह से स्काई तक बहुत ऊंचा हो गया है, ये शो कर रहा है यहाँ पे. और ये सबसे बहुत अच्छा है, ये जो माउंट का पिक्चर है कैसे बनाया गया है.
This is binocular, so it may not be a binocular, it may be a piece of bamboo, and they try to concentrate it on a particular spot, something like that. You see the arrows, you find the head and tail look like a rockets, missile, chipmunies, these are all the arrows. See the straws for drinking coconut and also drinking Coca-Cola, Pepsi, something. So we had concepts of everything, history is repeated again. So this is Lakshmi and Vishnu, one of the most beautiful statue of this temple. Are you identify Lakshmi with Amrita Kalash, Vishnu with Padma, Chakra, Shankha, Gada. See the beautiful ornaments, even more finer than golden ornaments, we called Lakshmi Narayana. Is a Ravana, king of Sri Lanka, enemy of Ramayana. So he got 10 head and 20 arms. and he lifted entire Kailash mountain. Kailash mountain is the residence of Trinity family. You see the top of the Kailash mountain, middle, Shiva and Parvati. Both the side we have Lakshmi and Vishnu, and also we have Garuda, Vishnu's vehicle. See this whole thing made of a single stone. Dashakanta Ravana lifted the entire Kailash mountain, Parvati. Like angry, eyebrows are burning, leg is bent and tail is gone up. Because Nandi he is only for Shiva, not for Parvati. Because of earth sitting, because of double riding, it is very angry. That sculpture imagination. Take Anisha.
हाँ ये वाला करो हमने।
This is Ganesha dancing of 8 hands, 8 arms. So this is called Asta Bhuja Natya Ganesha. While dancing, see both the bells of Ganesha, they are swinging. You see the big stomach, we call the Lambodara, peg. So the holy threads here, 3 folds. It means Ganesha is not married. After he getting married, it will be double, means 3 and 3, 6 folds. So among the 18 Puranas, that 17 Puranas say Ganesha is not married, but only one Purana, we call Shiva Purana, it's a Ganesha is married, and he got 2 wives, we called Riddhi Siddhi, and also called Ganesha, Riddhi Vinayaka, Siddhi Vinayaka. Brahma the creator, Shiva the destroyer, Vishnu the protector, Saraswati goddess of education, Nagaraja king of cobra, Shiva again, last Lakshmi or Vaishnavi Devi. So we have beautiful panel view together. में आजू बाजू मिलता है ना, मूर्ति उधर रखती है. एवरी फ्राइडे इज हॉलीडे. वो कार कोना में टॉयलेट्स भी है. Temple, east side of the temple. So here we have 11 panels, 11 lines. First line we have elephants. There are 1,248 elephants all around the temples, but no two are similar. None of them alike. See, the elephants stand for stability, strength. The lions for courage. Flower creepers which represent beauty, and horses for speed. Symbolically strength, courage, beauty, then speed. Sixth line we have Indian epic stories from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavatas. This is story from Bhagavata called Samudra Mantana. Rakshasas this side, Devatas that side. They used Mandara mountain as a churning rod, Vasaki serpent as a churning rope. When they are churning, because of no support the mountain, that started sinking into the ocean. Then Vishnu took the big tortoise called Kurma Avtara. Then he lifted entire mountain up, and they ultimately got Amruta. This is mythical animal Makara, combination of 7 animal part, swan bird, dancing figures and magicians. Last line by erotics from the Kama Sutra. See the erotics. And the top we have ventilation for good light and wind. One here, one more is there. That is the 6th largest in India. This is the 7th largest in India. First one is at the Lepakshi temple in Andhra Pradesh. Second one is Brudeshwar temple in Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur. Third one is a Chamundi in Mysore. Fourth one is a Bull temple in Bengaluru. Fifth one again Tamil in Rameshwaram. 6th and 7th are in Halabiri. That is the 6th, this is the 7th. And this Nandi in decoration and beautification, this is ranked first in India, the best bull. Because of this bull in front of the Queen's temple, that is why they give more ornaments, more decoration, this Nandi. See the details, running blood veins, hidden nostrils, sharp eyes, alert ear, sharp arms, strong gum, and even the roof. See the tie between the two legs, it is natural sitting posture of the bull. See the beautiful ornaments, bell, jingling, rope and flower garlands. See the skin folding on the neck made of a single stone. It has 8 feet, that has 9 feet.
हम देखा
Only 3 parts. Where we have Shiva in the form of a lingam, that part called Garbhaguri. Next room called Darshana Mandapa. This is Natya Mandapa. In South India, we had the system of temple dancing. The dancing girls and Deva dancing before, they used to dancing here. The memories, some of the dancing figures we called Shila Mandalas. Like this, before we had 84. Out of 84, now only 14 remaining. Some of the good ones are taken away by the British. There are in Albert Victoria and London. Only 14 remaining. There are 108 pillars, but do not one of them alive. See the ceilings, there are 22 numbers. See, center is Shiva down, see, coordinator opposite. Right issue, we have Brahma, left issue Vishnu. This is Ganesha, this is Subramanya, Saraswati, these are all the issues. These are all the Dana Shasana, hereditary inscriptions. In those days, the people used to give donations in the form of a land, money, etc. The donor's name have been written here, so that is Sanskrit, this is old Kannada.
उधर ऊपर संस्कृत में लिखा हुआ है।
ये देवनागरी भाषा, ये old Kannada है।
ओके।
दोनों भाषा में।
पक्कू देखो इधर।
Nandi Mandapas. So this is the 6th largest in India. That is the 7th largest in India. Both are made of a single stone. See, including big and small, this temple has more than 20,000 statues. It is an ocean of art. It cannot be explained enough one day. So what I have shown you, that is only a glimpses of the this temple. Okay? One day cricket match, football match.
यहाँ पे 2 शिव जी का टेम्पल है और 2 बैल भी हैं। इधर एक है और उस साइड पे एक है। 2 बैल हैं। वो रानी जी के लिए बनाया गया वो टेम्पल है शिव जी का, और वो बैल उधर का है। और ये राजा जी के लिए जो बड़ा टेम्पल बनाया है ना शिव जी का, वही वाला शिव जी का टेम्पल और बैल है। और बहुत ही अच्छा है। ये बहुत बड़ा बैल है उससे भी, और शिव जी भी अंदर बहुत बड़े शिव जी का लिंग है अंदर। और यहाँ आके आप लोग देख सकते